Hi, this is Sharon from Down Home Wicks. I have some time. I wanted to give you some tips. I want to talk to you about your candle business and how you can make money making candles and everything that goes with it. And I want to talk to you about the art of making candles, not just the business part of it. The reason I make candles is because I like to do crafts. I also want to talk to you about how to package your candles. It seems to come up a lot. If you want to know how something should be done, one of the things that you can do is to see how other people do it, especially the bigger companies like Bath and Body Works. So what I did was I ordered from them just to see how their candles came in. So today I have a box. I don't know if you can hear it. I ordered this. I can hear the candles kind of shifting in there. So packaging them may not be as big a deal as what we think it is. But I want you to remember that this is your customer's first impression of you too. Not just what they order on their website, but how they get their package delivered to them. So we're going to open this up and we're going to see how Bath and Body Works packages their products. I hope you can see everything. So, in the box, we have a little flyer that has candle safety information, and then on the back, of course, I didn't black out like my address and stuff, but it's the invoice and everything on here. It's my address. My invoice, but they do give you an invoice with the information on it, how to return, how exchanges in the store, etc., and then care for your candle. And then there is some bubble packaging in here. Now this one's kind of flat. Maybe it was had air in it originally. There's some more in here. This one's still inflated. That's okay. But as you can see, it's a little heavy. I'm holding it that way. Their candles are a little heavy, but their candles are in individual boxes. The boxes, my candles, I also pack in individual boxes as well. That helps to insulate your glass containers. These I bought when they were buy one, get one free. So that was it. I mean, they did kind of shuffle around in here. I would imagine their packaging, it probably holds up to 6 candles at a time. Yeah, they look like they could hold 6 candles at a time. So we're going to set this aside. Make sure they're not broken or anything. But I want to make sure you can see this. I can't see what my camera is showing you, so. Ooh. You know, this is a pretty heavy cardboard container. Cardboard box. These are pretty, good size containers. This is Into the Night. Oh, it smells really nice. That's what their candle looks like. Now, from candle makers, whenever we buy candles, of course, we're, looking at different stuff. So there's that one. That one's intact. Nice. It's not, cracked or anything like that. These are glass containers. This one's fine too. And customers, these are $24.50 each. I got them buy one, get one free. So, I mean, they weren't cheap candles, but customers are not, I'm fine with it. It's a really nice candle. I'm going to do a burn test. Of course, we all, if you're a candle maker, you like candles, so you're going to be burning these. Another thing that you can do too is if you're not really sure, package them up. Send some to a relative or a friend or something. I send candles to relatives. friends. This one's flannel. What did I... Oh, Lakeside Morning. I got to test these two and do a review. Oh, that smells really good too. See, I get lost in the candles. That's a really nice color too. I hope you can see that. This is called flannel. That's really popular. Nothing wrong with the jar. It's fine. The boxes create like a cushion. You can see, you know, that's a barrier. So you might want to consider that, your packaging. And this is a cardboard box. This is not a gift box. So it's a little bit different there. And let's see if the fourth one is a-okay. And it's just in there. So there's no damage to the box. These look really nice. No cracks, nothing's broken. Of course, there are labels on the bottom. White Barn. This is a really pretty candle. Oh, it smells divine too. So this is really nice. So there you have it. It wasn't really all that to worry about. You know, this is just well, they don't have the size of the box. But this is not, you know, see these boxes in here? There really wasn't all that much bubble wrap in there. There wasn't that much to it. It's real. They're not as fragile as what you think they are. Now, if you get somebody that handles them a little more rough, yeah, it's going to be an issue. So you do have to protect yourself. I think a lot of it too is the outside of the box. Whoops. The outside of the box, when there's a carrier and they see something. Let's see, the outside of this does say Bath and Body Works. So they do know what's in the box. And I did run into that before. If they know what's in the box, they handle it a little differently. And I know that if they know that it's candles or bath products or something, they really don't want to mess in their truck. So they'll pay more attention to how they handle it too. So that might be an idea too, to let people know, put your branding on it, that they're candles or fragile or something like that. But these were fine. And the key to it might be individual boxes. And that's how I ship my candles. They're individual boxes. So if you want to know how to ship something, you know, sometimes what you can do, you know, these are buy one, get one free. Order them from Bath and Body Works and see how they come to you. I also ordered some from Yankee Candle. I'm going to do another video and I'll unbox those and we'll see how those look. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this one, there's many more to come. I'm going to make some more videos, give you some more tips. So make sure you subscribe so that you get noticed or get a notification